Hello everyone and welcome back to ImTechnos. In today's video, we are diving into one of the computer vision services, which is Amazon Rekognition. Let's say you're working for a security team in a large organization. You have thousands of CCTV video hours coming in every day. Manually reviewing them for incidents, suspicious activity, or identifying individuals is almost impossible. Now imagine a tool that can automatically detect faces, track movement, identify unsafe content, and alert you in real time. That tool is Amazon Rekognition. Amazon Rekognition is cloud-based image and video analysis service from AWS. It uses deep learning, the same technology Amazon uses internally to analyze billions of images and videos every day. With Rekognition, you can easily add computer vision features to your applications, whether it's web, mobile, or backend systems. Just upload your image or video to Amazon S3, call the Rekognition API, and you instantly get the analysis results. So if you ever thought computer vision was complicated, Rekognition makes it simple. Now let's look at the key capabilities. Amazon Rekognition can analyze images in several advanced ways. It supports object, scene, and concept detection, allowing you to automatically identify everyday objects, different environments, and even celebrities within an image. You can also get text detection, which can read both printed and handwritten text in multiple languages. This is great for processing documents, street signs, labels, or any image containing useful information. There is also unsafe content detection, which helps you identify explicit, violent, or inappropriate content, an essential feature for maintaining a safe and moderate platform. Rekognition provides facial analysis, giving you the ability to detect faces, estimate age ranges, identify emotions, interpret gender presentation, and compare faces to check if two images belong to the same person. For custom use cases, custom labels let you train Rekognition to detect objects that matter specifically to your business, such as brand logos, product types, or any unique items. With image properties, you can evaluate technical details like sharpness, color distribution, contrast, and overall image quality, helping you filter or enhance your visuals effectively. And Rekognition doesn't stop at images. It brings the same intelligence to video with even more powerful features. It can detect objects, scenes, text, and celebrities while the video is playing. It supports people pathing, which tracks the movement of individuals across video frames, useful in retail, security, or analytics. You also get facial analysis for both stored images and live streaming feeds. There is unsafe content detection for moderating video content at scale. It can even perform video segmentation to identify black frames, end credits, and other key segments for editing or post-processing. And one of the newest features is face liveness. This checks whether a real person is actually in front of the camera, helping prevent spoofing attacks during identity verification. Now the question is, why do developers and businesses choose Amazon Rekognition? Rekognition gives you deep learning power without the complexity of building models yourself. You don't need data science knowledge, GPU clusters, or training pipelines. Everything is handled by AWS. The service is built on the same internal computer vision systems where Amazon uses to analyze billions of images and videos every day. That means you get production-grade accuracy right out of the box. Whether you need to analyze a few hundred images or millions, Rekognition scales automatically. There are no servers to deploy and nothing to maintain. AWS handles all the heavy lifting. You pay only for what you use. That makes it accessible even for small projects or startups. Plus, it comes with a free tier so you can experiment without spending anything. And Rekognition fits effortlessly into AWS ecosystem. It works smoothly with S3 for storage, Lambda for automation, IAM for security, and many more services, making it easy to build complete end-to-end solutions. And if your business needs are unique, Rekognition is flexible. With features like adapters and custom labels, you can train the service to recognize your specific products, logos, or patterns without building a model from scratch. And Amazon Rekognition is also HIPAA eligible, meaning it can be used to process, store, and transmit protected health information when set up correctly under a valid BAA with AWS. This opens the door for medical imaging use cases like patient verification or document digitization. Now let's explore Amazon Rekognition service in console. Search for Amazon Rekognition and select it. In the left navigation, under Demo section, select Label Detection. Label detection simply means identify what objects, scenes, and concepts are present inside an image. Recognition uses deep learning to automatically detect things like people, cars, buildings, animals, clothes, vehicles, and even more abstract concepts like city or outdoor. Now, right in the center, you will see an image that we're analyzing. You can upload your own image or paste a URL or use a simple images provided at the bottom. Once the image loads, Rekognition automatically analyzes it. It draws bounding boxes around anything it detects like people, cars, skateboards, wheels, etc. And these boxes help you visually understand what objects were found. On the right side, all the detected labels appear. In the search bar, you can check if AWS is supporting for the label you are looking for. Below the search bar, you will see a list of everything Rekognition detected in the image. In our case, you will see things like city, road, neighborhood, car, shoe, machine, and many more. Each label has two things, a label name and confidence score, shown as a percentage. For example, car has 98.1%, means Rekognition is 98% confident that the object is a car. Some labels actually belong to a category, though they are invisible. For example, car is a part of vehicle category, vehicle belongs to a transportation. So Rekognition understands the context of the object. This helps when building search engines or organizing content. When you click on the label, say person, Rekognition highlights all the bounding boxes related to that label in the image area. For example, if 3 people are detected, all the 3 boxes will glow or be highlighted. Clicking car will show boxes around all detected cars. And request panel shows the exact API request that Rekognition internally sends. This is useful if you plan to use Rekognition through code. Response panel shows the JSON output. This includes all labels, confidence scores, bounding box coordinates, parent labels, instance of each object, and more. This is the same response you would get when calling Rekognition via SDK or API. There is also a download full list button at the top right. Clicking this downloads all detected labels and metadata. This is useful if you need to store results or analyze them later or integrate with your application. Let's say I uploaded my own image into Amazon Rekognition label detection page. As soon as the image is uploaded, Rekognition automatically analyzes it and identifies all the objects, scenes, and concepts present in the picture. On the right side, Rekognition lists everything it was able to detect in the image. For example, couch, interior design, lamp, cushion, table, curtain, and many more. Next to each of these labels, you will notice confidence score. For example, couch shows 99.9, whereas lamp shows 84.8 and cushion shows 56.3. So a higher confidence score means the model is very certain about the object is detected. A lower score usually means the object is partially visible or not very clear. So label detection is extremely helpful when you want to quickly understand what's inside an image without writing any code. This is used in applications like automatic photo organization, content modernization, image search, inventory detection, smart home or retail applications. Now let's move into another feature inside Amazon Rekognition, which is celebrity recognition. This feature is designed specifically to identify well-known personalities in image or videos. So if you're curious whether AWS can recognize a celebrity from a simple photo, this is exactly where you test it. The interface is very simple. On the left, you have the image preview area, and on the right, we have 3 expandable sections: results, request, and response. You can upload a celebrity image, and AWS also provides a couple of sample photos at the bottom. So I'm selecting one from them. The moment I select the image, Rekognition automatically starts analyzing it using its pre-trained deep learning models. It tries to find a face, match it against its internal celebrity database, and then gives us confidence score. Rekognition has detected a celebrity and is showing the identified face along with the name and the confidence percentage. This feature is really useful in industries like media, entertainment, sport analytics, social platforms, and anywhere you want to automatically tag or catalog famous personalities. You can try other capabilities as well, like a face analysis, where Amazon Rekognition detects details such as gender, emotions like happiness, whether the person is wearing accessories like glass, and much more. You can also explore video analysis and even create your own custom labels. Let's take a quick look at customer success stories to see Rekognition in action. Pinterest uses Amazon Rekognition to analyze and categorize 30 plus billion pins automatically. Rekognition helps them detect objects, scenes, and extract text from images, improving search accuracy and recommendations. This allows Pinterest to deliver fast, high-quality visual insights for over 200 million users without building their own ML models. San Diego Gas and Electric is a major energy utility company serving Southern California. It uses Amazon Rekognition custom labels to enhance wildfire detection and public safety. By analyzing images and videos from drones and high-resolution cameras placed across the fire drones areas, Rekognition helps automatically identify early signs of smoke. This early detection allows the organization teams to respond faster, reduce wildfire risk, and better protect both communities and critical infrastructure. So that's Amazon Rekognition in a nutshell, a scalable and easy-to-use computer vision service that brings deep learning to your applications without the complexity. That's it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy learning.